But you need to be using the butter, Green Bean Ghoul. I need more videos for people to watch. I only got the one, you know. Well, everything doesn't have to be butter, dairy, fairy. Oh, hello. We're live. Get out of here. Shoot. Boo! I am the Green Bean Ghoul. Welcome to the final lesson of school. Ow, that hurts my neck. Today we make candied green beans. 1 and 2, you know it seems. So we'll start with step 3. Ah, my neck. Or at least, if you can, help.
Always ask your parents' help before you get hurt and yelp.
1 and 2 are if they're fresh, if they're already cut in a can. Well, go to step 3. But I digress. If you want, you can rinse these. Let me fix my eye now, please. Uh-oh. Oh. For always save your water. It's called aquafaba and it'll make things lighter. Ah. 5 mix sugar or stevia and put it in a cup with some salt. 6, add an 1/8 cup of soy sauce. 7, add melted butter, or not, 'cause the dairy fairy is mean. Nah. So instead add sunflower oil, about an 1/8 cup to cover your beans. Ow, my jaw.
To be continued. Cut.